Hello my cherries, how are you today? I hope you all have been having a lovely day. As you probably already saw, we are going to make unicorn pudding, or as I like to call it, a unicorn treat. Now please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you there. So for your ingredients, you'll only need 3 things, and one of them is optional. So you'll need some pink and white marshmallows if you have, or you can just do one color. Then we have some Rice Krispies, this is quite important, and some sprinkles, and this one is optional. Place your marshmallows in the microwave for 10 seconds. Make sure to not put a spoon or a knife in with it. Okay, vanaf niet meer. This is super important. Do not touch your marshmallows because it is super hot now. Now we're going to do the third step. Add your Rice Krispies. Only a small layer on top of them. Now we are going to add another layer of goodness, marshmallows, just like we did before. Let's put them in the microwave. We are finally done. I actually decided to add a few extra marshmallows just to give it that unicorn touch. Now the last and the best. Some sprinkles. Make sure it cools down for at least 10 minutes and then enjoy! I really do hope you all enjoyed that very much. And also, enjoy your pudding. Have a great day and bye!